Hello everybody, this is Banerjee Naidu, Instructor of Mathematics M1. Now we have to discuss the topic triple integrals. After the double integration, we have to notice triple integration topic. In this topic, there is a small change between double integrals and triple integrals. In this function, in the double integrals, we have to take between the area. Here, we have to take between the plane by varying 3 points in x, y, z. Let a function f of x, y, z defined at every point of 3-dimensional finite region V by dividing the volume at several units with n volumes delta V1, delta V2, so on delta Vn with subdivisions. Then we finally get sigma of r equal to 1 to infinity f of xr, yr, zr at delta Vr. By varying limit delta Vr to 0, we get the triple integral function at I equal to integral x1 to x2, y1 to y2, z1 to z2, f of x, y, z, dz, dy, dx. By using this formula, we have to use triple integrals from varying with the plane x, y, z points in the figure. Now we have to find the volume for each figure. Coming to small examples to introduction. In this way, here we have to take either constants or variables. For suppose if we take constants, coming to examples we see. In this example, we see integral 0 to a, integral 0 to b, integral 0 to c, x square plus y square plus z square into dx, dy, dz. Here we are seeing the constants which was 0 to c, 0 to b, 0 to a. Whenever the constants are given, we have to take the integration first either with x or y or z. There is no need any problems. I take first integrate with z, integral 0 to a, integral 0 to b. First we integrate with dz, integral 0 to c, x square plus y square plus z square into dz after dy dx. By solving this function, here x square into z of 0 to c plus y square into z of 0 to c plus z cube by 3 where z square into dz. We know x power n dx means x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. By solving this formula, we get z cube by 3. By putting the upper limit and lower limits, we get the equation x square c plus y square c plus c cube by 3 into dy. Now we integrate with y function. Integral 0 to b x square c plus y square c plus c cube by 3 into dy. So by solving this function, we get cx square into y at 0 to b plus c into y cube by 3 at 0 to b plus c cube by 3 into y at 0 to b. By solving this function, by putting upper limits and lower limits, we get cx square into b plus c into b cube by 3 plus c cube by 3 into b. Now finally we solve integrate with dx. Then we get bc into x cube by 3 at 0 to a plus c into b cube by 3 into x at 0 to a plus bc cube by 3 into x at 0 to a. By solving this function, we get abc by 3 into a square plus b square plus c square. Finally solution. If you take either with either y or x, the result will be same. By giving constants, we have to take any integration pattern either with x or y or z. We have to get same result. There is no problem. Now coming to the second example, evaluate integral minus 1 to 1, integral 0 to z, integral x minus z to x plus z into x plus y plus z into dx, dy, dz. In this equation, we have to see the variable limits are applied. So in this, we have to limit apply for variables. First we have to take x minus z, x plus z. In this varying x, z are the functions which was equal to y function due to your given x, z functions involving. So let us take y equal to x minus z to x plus z. So by this we have to take first integrate with y function, integral x minus z to x plus z into x plus y plus z into dy. By solving, we get x into y, which was upper limit and lower limit, x minus z to x plus z plus y square by 2 at x minus z to x plus z plus z into y at x minus z to x plus z into dx dz. By solving this function by repeating upper limits and lower limits, we get this equation 2xz plus z square into dx dz. Here coming to this integral 0 to z, we already give integration of y. Now we are there two variables x and z. Here giving the function of z, that means it must be equal to x function. So let x equals 0 to x equals z. Now we have to integrate with x function. Then we get 2 into integral minus 1 to 1. 2z into, by integrating with x dx, we get x square by 2 at 0 to z plus z square into x at 0 to z. By solving this function, we get 2z cube into dz. Finally, we have to integrate with z function. Then we get z by 4 by 4. By solving this, we get 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 into 4 equal to 0. Like this, we have to solve equations. When they given constants, then we have to integrate with any function, either x or y or z. When they given variables, we have to take at equations of their functions and we have to solve this. Thanks for listening.